In this video, we will go over matrix in Power BI. To add a matrix, you're going to come over to visualizations and choose matrix. And for this example, we're going to use a fiscal year, and we're going to make that the rows. And we're going to have fiscal quarter as the columns, and then the totals as the value. So we'll just expand that out so we can see. So you see we have the fiscal years as the rows, and we have each quarter total as the column for each fiscal year. Now we want to use matrix instead of a table for this example because as you see here, if we make it a table, even if we sort by fiscal year, we can't really see any type of patterns using a table. However, if we use a matrix, we can then see how the totals have went up over each year, or how the company is performing in the third quarter per year. Is that improving or not improving? So that's where we want to use a matrix. And we have the same type of styling in a matrix as we do for a table. So we can just apply the styles that come with Power BI, or we can go into the other items and do the formatting ourselves. So again, you can format your column headers, and then you have your row headers. So you can make changes to all those things, but we're just going to go back and revert everything back to default. And so, so you can add your title again. And format your matrix however you need. And you have tooltip. So that's the basics of adding a matrix. It's just going to depend on how your visualization works. Do you have subcategories under a category? Here we have a category of year, and we have subcategory of quarters. And that's usually where you're going to use the visualization of matrix. So that was it for matrix in Power BI.